Welcome to Rehoboth, where we partner with God to make room for immigrants. Why Rehoboth Law? Number one, I'm an immigrant from Ghana, and I'm very familiar with the processes that immigrants go through in this country. When I first came to this country and I finally got my green card, it came with a name error. It came with Benedicia. That's a cute name, but that is not my name. And I remember it was such a hassle getting USCIS to admit their mistake and fix it and all of that. And every time I'm talking to someone who has immigration issues, I have a flashback, like this was me some years ago, and I was able to navigate it then. And I come to the table with that compassion. I come with that understanding of how the process is. Also, I have the needed legal background. After going to law school in Georgetown Law, which is a top 14 law school, I did DOJ honors. It's a program where Department of Justice takes law students from different law schools around the country. Now, I was privileged to work under DOJ under EOIR, Executive Office of Immigration Review. That office handles all the immigration courts. So for 2 years, I worked closely with immigration judges in immigration court. We literally worked as assistants for judges. What it means for you is that I think like a judge. I know the questions that judges will ask. I know what judges will do. So if you have someone like me representing your case or going to court with you, it is not new to me. For 2 years, it was literally my bread and my butter. So I know the questions that they're going to ask. I know how to thoroughly prepare you before a judge or before USCIS, because I did that for a whole 2 years. One may wonder, what services does Rehoboth Law provide? Number one, if anyone is picked up by ICE, give us a call. Because remember, I used to work in an immigration court that was in a detention facility. So I literally worked in an ICE location for 2 years. So I know sometimes it's Downton where your family member gets picked up by ICE. Don't worry, I literally used to work there for 2 years. So I know what the process is. I know how to get a court date. I know what the process is. Also, if people are looking for asylum, if you want to file for cancellation of removal, if you want to file for any sort of visa, student visa, different sorts of work visas. One of my personal favorite is a religious visa. Did you know that if you're active in your church, you can eventually get a green card through that? Schedule a consult and let's talk more. So I also work with U visas, T visas, VAWA, B1, B2, fiancé visas, spousal visas, naturalization process, any sort of immigration issue that you are encountering. Trust me, I have seen it all in the immigration court system. Give me a call and let's work together, and the God of Rehoboth will make room for you.